Yodgara, energy from lava, and Equinor and Indo-Norway joint venture, a project funded by Research Council of Norway to study the geothermal springs in Himalayan regions. We are at Chumathang, and the hot boiling water which you are seeing here is just a manifestation of this Agneya Yodgara Urja. The magmatic rocks in the background have evolved as a result of the tectonic collision which took place between India and China, which took place about 60 million years ago. India subsided below the Chinese plate, leading to a lot of magmatic activities and granite intrusions which we are seeing here at Chumathang. The hot water which we are seeing here, if deep borewells up to 2 to 3 kilometers below the surface can produce steam which will run turbines to produce power, this will solve the entire power problem of not only Chumathang and surrounding areas but of entire Ladakh region. Presently, the entire power is generated through diesel, which is turning out to be a very costly affair. Not only it is unrenewable, uneconomical, but the cost of everyday producing power is increasing tremendously. This is the future energy. Free, safe, sustainable, clean, green, renewable energy. And Agneya Yodgara is the energy of future.